What is the value of the expression 56 divided by 7 times open parenthesis 6 plus 2 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? Everyone thinks this question is so easy, but it actually tricks a lot of people. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. In the first step, most people start by solving the expression inside the parentheses and replace it with 56 divided by 7, then multiplied by 8. And the next step, they go for the multiplication between 7 and 8 because they think multiplication has priority over division. So, this expression simplifies to 56 divided by 56, which finally gives them the answer 1. And immediately, they quickly say that option A is the correct answer to this question. But this answer is absolutely wrong. Now let me explain step by step how we should solve this expression properly. As you can see in the image, in this expression, first we have a division sign, followed by a multiplication sign, and finally parentheses. To solve this question, we need to use the PEMDAS rule. And this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We need to perform these operations in order from top to bottom. So, we'll start with the parentheses first because it has the highest priority than the other operations. Okay, this expression simplifies to 56 divided by 7 then times 8. Now, it's time to simplify this expression. It's very important to note that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this case, all we need to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move step by step toward the right. So, first we perform the division between 56 and 7, which simplifies this expression to 8 multiplied by 8. Finally, the value of this expression will be 64. Therefore, option D is the correct answer to this question.